I firmly believe that all of us should have a mentor, right? And I have had, you don't really need to have one mentor, you could have multiple mentors, but you must have one or two or three or multiple, because trust me, life is too short to learn from your own mistakes. You might want to learn from somebody else's wisdom who's already been there, done that, right? And never shy from asking from help. Never shy away from, if you need a help, just go ahead and ask for help. And I have always done that. I know it's not easy though, let me tell you, let me be very honest. It's not easy to ask for help, because you always think, is it the right time to ask for help? We tend to overthink, right, when it is about help. But I think what I've learned is only when you ask, only when you seek is what you're going to get. So be courageous and ask for help, seek for more insights, more perspectives. And that's how I have always found people. And trust me, I have always found people because probably I took the first step. And that is what I tell everybody. You need to take probably one or the two steps. Don't expect people will come to you, but eventually they will, because they will see your intent, right? But you definitely need to get started. And it could be somebody in your workplace who's very senior to you. It could be somebody who's just your peer, but that person is really good at a lot of different things, and you personally want to learn those particular skills. For example, when I was working in learning team in Accenture, there were a lot of people who were very good in content designing. So that's one particular team, very good in content designing. I was pretty good in facilitation. And I realized that content is something I definitely need to pick up, the art, to understand the flair of how do you build a story and how do you influence audience with your story, the way you create content, right? So I worked with a person. I ensured that I had multiple mentors who were probably my peers. And that's how I added that skill into my kitty. Similarly, every time I met somebody who's probably managing programs beautifully, who's a certified program manager, or who's probably not certified, but has been doing that job for many years and really good at that. I wanted to learn more. So, and I think all of us need to do that, because nobody is perfect, right? We don't know. We always will need people, and I sometimes always feel that we don't ask for help. Sometimes the help is just right under our nose, but we don't reach out, we don't communicate. We are so busy with our multiple apps in our phones that we just shut ourselves in a shell. But the help is right under our nose. We just have to reach out and just talk with the right intent. And I think that is what has constantly helped me, and be vulnerable at times, and that's when I say we are not perfect. Just tell people when you really need help, show your vulnerable side to people. And I think if you are able to do that, that is a beautiful way to connect with different individuals at different levels.